Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Day 6 of quarantine. I'm gonna need that towel. And today we are training back and shoulders. Now, back and shoulders are probably the hardest muscle group to hit when you haven't got any equipment. Now, we haven't got any pull-up bars, we haven't got no tables to do inverted rows. All we're using today is your body weight, a towel, and a little bit of motivation. And you guys liked the last chest video, so I thought I'd do a little series on this. We'll be doing legs, we'll be doing arms, just with household appliances. But I'm trying to limit it because not everyone might have it. You might be stuck in a room with nothing in it. So I'm trying to be helpful here, but I'm pretty sure everyone has a towel. But if anything, I'm going to stop talking and let's get into the workout. Right, so going to exercise number 1, it's going to be a superset. So today we are training in a superset fashion, keeping that intensity high, just due to the fact that a lot of the back exercises are more about tension, as you can't actually load much weight unless you have a pull-up bar or something to row, and we've only got our own body weight and it's going to be pretty hard. So it's just focusing on a lot of tension here, a lot of core stability, but you're still going to get a good pump in your back and contraction. It's actually going to be very good for mind-muscle connection, so when you go back into the gym, you're going to be able to contract and engage your back hopefully a little bit more. So first exercise, we're starting with the shoulders. It's going to be a pike press up. And a pike press up is when your legs are straight, coming down like so, and you're simulating a shoulder press. We're going to go for 10 reps. Let's go. Straight into the next exercise. So next exercise in the superset, you're going to grab your towel and we're going to simulate a lat pull down in the hyperextension position. So you're going to come down onto your chest, you're going to extend out, arch up, you're going to come down, pull, and squeeze your back as hard as you can. So 1, trying to pull the towel apart. This exercise, although you're not bearing any weight, you're really just trying to focus on that squeeze. And that hyperextension position, when you're contracting the back, you are going to feel it. Now, you're not applying load, but you're applying tension, and that will still help, like I said before, with time of the tension. So you're going to hit 4 sets of this, 10 reps of each. So, next exercise, we're going to be doing a side plank reach. Now, side plank reach, you're going to be stabilizing on your shoulders. We're actually going to arch it a little bit. So as we're coming through, we're trying to thrust back on the shoulders, hitting those rear and lateral heads. So we're going to go for 10 reps on each side. Again, this is a superset, but I'll show you what the next exercise is after this. So, into position, into the side plank, we're tensing the shoulder up, you're coming through, squeezing back, 1. Actually feel the burn in your shoulders from the stabilization as well. So we're going to go for 10 reps on each side and into the back exercise. So next exercise is snow angels. Again, we're getting in the same position as we did before, and we're going to extend out, keeping a hyperextended position. We're going to come back as far as you can, contract your back and forward. Feel that contraction. Again, 4 sets, 10 reps on each, and into the next exercise. Let's go. So next exercise, we're simulating a dumbbell pullover. It's going to be really hard on your lats, your back, and your arms. It's going to be really, really good. You're going to need to keep your core really tight here. So if you can, you do it on your feet. If it's too hard, we're going to do it on your knees, okay? So how are you going to get in position? You're going to come down like so, arms extended, legs out, and you're going to pull yourself up like this. 1, and down. If that's too hard, you go on your knees. and do the same. I'm going to go on my feet. I'm going to hit 10 reps. Say 10 reps, but just go to your own ability to failure on this one. And you're really going to feel this in the core, your back, and everything. And we're going to superset with the next exercise, which is a contraction-based one. So let's do it now. So the next exercise, what we're doing, we're simulating a body weight. We're simulating a row. Sorry, I can barely speak. We're simulating a row. So what you're going to do is, in the lying down position, you're going to come back with your elbows and lift your body up and contract your back. So 1. Stretch out. 2. Now, I posted a few of these exercises on my Instagram, and a lot of people said, oh, those exercises are rubbish. There's no weight bearing down there, it's pointless. But trust me, if you apply tension, look at me, I'm working up a sweat, I'm out of breath, because I'm trying to squeeze the life out of each rep. You don't need 100 kilos, or you don't need a lot of weight to apply tension to your muscles. All you need is your own body. I mean, right now, you can apply isometric tension to your bicep just by squeezing it. That is still activating the muscle, and that's gonna help it maintain, get stronger, and it may even increase isometric strength. So flexing is pretty good. But let's move on to our last superset. He wants to use my bar. Go on, deadlift. A kiddie deadlift, imagine. Right, so the next exercises we're going to do, we're actually going to do a tricep. So it's 3 exercises back to back as a little finisher. And then we're going to do 1 isometric hold at the end. So first exercise here, what we're going to do is a pause shoulder tap. So you're going to get in the press up position. And what we're going to do, we're going to hold that shoulder tap. 1, 2, 3, trying to flex the shoulder as you do it. 4.
Listen.
Hit 10 of those on each side, and trust me, what we're trying to do as well, trying to flex the shoulder as you do it. Any activity in the muscle is going to keep it active, especially in these times where we can't hit the gym. You're going to want to do anything you can, because we can't just side lateral our body, unfortunately, but this is still going to activate the muscle and you're going to get a great workout. So into the next exercise of the tricep. So we're going to grab the towel and we're going to do side to side hyperextensions. So we're going to extend out, you're going to come down, contract. What you're trying to do there is squeeze those lats as you're coming around, squeeze them. And now we're going to finish on the last exercise of our tricep. Alright guys, so last exercise of the tricep and of the workout, we're going to do an isometric towel hold. So what we're going to do, try not to rip your towels if they're a bit loose. You want a nice strong sturdy towel, use a kitchen cloth, anything. And what we're going to do, we're going to pull it apart, hitting those side delts as hard as you can. You're going to hold it 30 seconds. And as soon as that's done, drop it down air reps, 5, hit 10 reps, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're gonna hold, keeping it held, you're gonna go for another 30 seconds. As soon as 30 seconds are done, you're going to tense your shoulders as hard as you can. 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to repeat that 4 times. Alright guys, so that is wrapping up the workout. Back and shoulders, all you need is a towel and some motivation. Now again, I don't want to hear people saying, oh, these exercises are not going to build your muscle. I mean, we're using what we can here, okay? We're just here to activate the muscles and keep them alive and give them a reason to stay during these times. And if you're not during these times watching this in the future and you can't access the gym, this is a great way. I've got a nice little back pump just from contracting the muscles, and my delts are feeling pretty good. And this is what you can do just to make sure that your muscles are staying alive when you can't hit the gym. Now, if you do try this workout, please let me know. You can also throw in some abs at the end, which I'll be doing later. If you do like these videos, let me know in the comments section, and if you are not already, subscribe. I just got to throw that in because apparently that's what we got to do, and smash that like button. But now we're in a new house. As you can probably tell, it's a bit change of scenery from our last video, if you want to give a little swoop around. We need to unpack, but obviously we're still getting the content, because it doesn't stop. People need to know how to keep their gains alive during these times. But if anything, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.